Welcome back. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Vision Mission Z-50, an AI concept that envisions Lamborghini's electrified future hypercar that replaces roaring cylinders with silent, violent thrust while retaining the brand's terrifying drama. Exterior and interior design. The exterior is a radical departure, built around a central capsule cockpit with extreme aerodynamic tunnels front and rear. The signature Y-shaped lighting is now executed in laser-projected holographics. The doors are multi-axis articulated, opening upwards and outwards like mechanical wings. The entire body is a single shell of active carbon fiber that can change texture and adjust aerodynamic properties. Inside, the cockpit is a single cedar pod for maximum focus. A panoramic holographic display wraps 180 degrees around the driver, projecting all vital data onto the canopy. The steering yoke is flanked by touch-sensitive control surfaces. The interior is a monochrome environment of forged composite and cool touch alloy, illuminated by adaptive mood lighting. Engine, horsepower, suspension. There is no traditional engine. Propulsion comes from four independent high-RPM Axial-Flux electric motors, one at each wheel, powered by a solid-state battery pack integrated into the chassis floor. Total system output is a staggering 2,200 horsepower and 2,500 Newton-meters of torque. The suspension is a fully active electro-hydraulic system with vector lift capability, allowing the car to rise over obstacles or hunker down at speed. It features a drift mode that can independently control torque to each wheel for controllable oversteer. Production number, cost and crash test rating. This would be Lamborghini's halo statement for its electric era. We envision a production run of 50 units. The estimated cost is $4 million. For safety, the central carbon fiber passenger capsule is surrounded by deformable crash structures and the battery pack itself acts as a rigid safety cell. Its design incorporates the latest in autonomous emergency systems, predicting top-tier safety ratings for its class. The Lamborghini Vision Mission Z-50 is not the end of emotion. It is the redefinition of it for a new, silent era of extreme performance. Is the future of hypercars electric? Comment below. Subscribe for the next vision. This is Auto Beast.